Hello folks. Thank you for choosing EmpMonitor. EmpMonitor helps to manage all the employee workplace activities under a single roof. In this video, we will run through the EmpMonitor shift management settings. Log in to the EmpMonitor account using the basic information. Here's the main dashboard. Click on the Settings tab, available in the left sidebar menu. Here you will find an amazing EmpMonitor feature, Shift Management. Click on Create Shift to create a new shift for your employees. Enter the shift name. Choose the color which you want to denote that particular shift. Select the day. Enter the shift timing. Click on Apply to All to make it for all days, or uncheck the box for the days which you want to avoid. Add any note depending upon your requirements. Click on Save to update the settings. You can edit the newly created shift from here. Edit the name, timing, color, or note. Click on Save to save the changes or simply cancel it. To delete the created shift, click on Delete option. A confirmation pop-up will occur. Click on Yes to proceed. The shift is successfully deleted. Moving next on adding the employees shift settings. Click on the Employees tab, available in the left sidebar menu. Here you will find an option, Employee Details. It is the employee dashboard. You can manage the employee settings from here. Here are the employees' complete details. You can manage the settings applied to the user. Click on the Edit option. Select the shift timing from here. Choose the shift as per the shift title. Click on Save. The settings are updated. You can cross-check once again from the Edit option. Yes, the settings are changed as per your requirement. So, this was a quick overview of how to manage shift timings. If you need any other help or face issues while changing the shift timings, feel free to write to us at support@empmonitor.com or contact us over the Skype.